Nana Chami, but you say, yeah, but I free Lancaster, Kumasi City. Na Yabahana, a management of Lancaster City, and I can hear free golden to them. Ebaha, incredible. A new general manager, friend of Mr. Basil Hamadeh. Tia Bane did not have a chair, Kura. Na watch ya no na waje the same share. Or pass over the sum. Tia Bayana and take so many the room divisions manager. Pacho,
yes.
This is our general
Majesty.
manager. Yes.
Thank you for receiving us. Okay, I brought my team. It's a management team. And I just want to tell you that we are ready always to make your guests in Kumasi proud. And we are doing our best to give the best service and best international service, okay, to your guests and to our guests as well. Thank you very much for receiving us. Okay.
Pacho, the Otumfuo, your friend Jonathan Dodo, only the front office manager. Your also sales and marketing manager, a friend of Barbara Mensa. Then Elena Obiamwako, only duty manager. But you also the chef Tise, but you only the head chef, executive chef. You also your friend of Mr. Ahmad Munif, or a financial controller for Lancaster. And you also Omar Mohammed, only financial controller for Lancaster local. And you also you Metepe Amenona, only the food and beverage manager. You also Dalila Roberts, but you're only learning and development manager for the brand Accra Kumasi. Emema Otumfuo Tinkwa official done in our Babijino. Na Ebeba never the Shisha Epesia de Bois official done in our
Chairman, General Manager, thank you very much, and I welcome you this afternoon. For introduction to me as the new General Manager for the Lancaster Hotel. Point that is the first point of call here for visitors who come here. For one would expect that Lancaster would be a good ambassador of Kumasi in terms of services, in terms of courtesy, in terms of whatever should be accorded any visitor that comes here. Come at a time when I'm in my 25th anniversary of celebration, and therefore we're expecting so many visitors to come here. And I know that yours will be the first point of call that most of my visitors will come. I would encourage you to make sure that they go with a good receptacle, what we call it again, something that they can talk about in Kumasi. That we went to go at this Lancaster Hotel, and it was one of the best hotels that we stayed in Kumasi. I'm sure that you're training the staff and everything in terms of the hospitality industry to be able to serve and put up a good service to the customers who come in. And I'm also looking at a situation where you impact technology and to the workers there. And I expect that you will train them properly for them also to benefit from the training that they will get in relation to working for your establishment. And so I thank you for coming. And I know you do quite a lot of service with Majesty, and I believe strongly that it shall continue with that. I know my office handles quite a lot that I am the last to know, but I know they do. And so if I had my own way of going out, I would have also come to visit, but I'm not allowed to go anywhere until when it's official. Maybe I could have come to one of the rooms and also relax. And I don't know, I believe you have presidential rooms and everything there. And so some of my guests will give me a testimony of what they experience when they are there. I entreat you to make sure that everything is in perfect condition, and your staff are also doing a good job to help us all and the image of Kumasi and Ashanti together. To my people like Madam say Monye Mohoso, na Monye Niye Sansa, Monye Nia Lancaster there, and then your leading hotel. International ABA by a call or Lancaster Hotel. And the reception and motivation on the Quambisha on the dynamo is in a Boam and Nippon so the Biana Upper. Yes, Abra is immediately him sending papiers, Baba. And Timon Monre Manager Yemen. Be Uncle Sukama. Munya and Munyama, Names Munya. Madam was a Papa. So welcome. I hope they are looking after you in Kumasi very well. Thank you.
Yes. Majesty. Our job is to train and make Kumasi as any other part of the Ghana or any part of the world. So we still always be receiving your guests in our hotel.
I know.
And I'm sure you're getting feedback about it. So we're trying as much as we can, and we do our best to keep it on that level.
Right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I'm sure my office will contact you to block some rooms for them, Adam. So obviously in the coming days they will do that, and therefore, you know that like we did some years ago, we blocked so many rooms for them and all that. So that might happen this time too. So if you keep up.
Thank you.
From I don't know about the 26th, but the 6th and the 11th and 12th, all that.
Yes,
I'm
thank you.
expecting the some heads of states coming around. They will stay at your place here, and so your rooms will be occupied by my people. All that. So I thank you very much.
Thank you.
Madam Asma. Okay.